The Science and Technology Committee was established on the 1st of October 2009. Geoengineering is too unpredictable. Let's have a look at page 24. For any research activities on geoengineering techniques to have a noticeable impact on the climate, they will have to be deployed on a massive scale, and thus any unintended consequences are also likely to be massive. State of knowledge about geoengineering, both on the technical side but also on the political, ethical and regulatory sides, is simply not at a point where I think any sensible person would be able to recommend that we should be implementing a geoengineering technique at this point. But they are. Stratospheric aerosols and cloud whitening were the only category of techniques that could be used with rapid impact. So basically, by authority of the House of Commons, London, page 13, unanticipated environmental effects. Bastards. Solar radiation management, SRM. Proposals in this category include space-based shades or mirrors to block a portion of the incoming solar radiation. If I said this to people at work, they'd think I was mental. By increasing cloud cover, whitening clouds, or placing reflective particles or balloons into the stratosphere. That'll be all the stuff people are seeing in the sky. Aerosol injection, sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. The root issue, the concentration of carbon dioxide. And what about this? Many reflection techniques, which is SRM, solar radiation management, SRM. It affects rainfall. It changes, alters the distribution of rainfall and also causes some reduction in the global quantity of rainfall. Many reflection techniques will need to be replenished constantly over their lifetime, and if this is not kept up, extremely rapid warming could ensue. Unbelievable. SRM could produce droughts with severe implications for regional and global food production. Well, that's good, isn't it? Hurricane suppression. Cloud seeding causes precipitation by introducing substances into cumulus clouds that cause condensation. Most seeding uses silver iodide, but dry ice, that is, solid carbon dioxide, propane, and salt are also used. Cloud seeding was first scientifically demonstrated in 1946 and is a geoengineering tool that is widely used by more than 30 countries. China, whose cloud seeding program is the largest in the world, using it to make rain, prevent hailstorms, contribute to firefighting and to counteract dust storms. On New Year's Day in 1997, cloud seeding made snow in Beijing. Cloud seeding could affect climate when carried out over a long period. Key measures of weather and climate are precipitation and temperature. This is what it is. This is just evil people using technology and bullshit and politics to create catastrophe. And basically they can ruin the planet in a million different ways. They are messing about with the weather and the atmosphere in uncharted territory. And they're doing things that they're not supposed to be doing. And it seems apparent in this document that they're discussing how to try and make it legal. And obviously the big deception here, the road they obviously need to go down is the global warming, which is scary when you see all the politicians pushing that forward, and you know, the mass denial that this is going on, and the kind of witch hunt that there is online over people that even mention a chemtrail. This is, you know, clearly been going on for years. But basically we've got out of control government as people steering us in the direction of major global cataclysms. without war, what you have here is the tool to bring about any kind of biblical sized disaster.